Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold this month was in a very strong downtrending market structure. Starting with this monthly rejection from this resistance, we have seen that gold had a strong drop. Now, with that drop, we saw that gold created an overextended market to the upside, has come back to this monthly support and had a bounce. This month so far, only 1 week remaining, we see that the price from this level had a bounce. Now with that bounce, we could see that gold could move to the upside again. As we see that there's a liquidity trigger below this support, we can expect the bulls to try to create a new higher high. Now looking at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly time frame, after back to back 4 weeks of drop, gold has come back to this support level, and from that zone we saw that there is a bounce. Now if we look at this structure on gold, what we see that this is a bull flag that we can identify with this movement. Now in that bull flag, this is the weekly time frame, there was a strong pull and impulse, and the price created this bull flag on the weekly, and with that bull flag we saw that the price from this support level had a bounce. Now as this price is moving in that channel on the weekly time frame and the price had a bounce from this support, we can expect now to go back to the resistance line before dropping down. So we still can expect after a little pullback for gold to move towards the upside. If we look at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, quite a few days back to back of 4 days of strong bullish momentum, starting with this middleman on the daily gathering liquidity from this support, followed by another middleman which is a continuation pattern, and we saw that previous day there was a strong bullish candle with a no weak candle at that support, followed by we saw that there is another bullish candle. This is the daily candle that has no wick at the bottom as well. Today we saw gap opening and a strong movement to the upside. As there is a doji here in that zone, we saw that the price has just broken the daily doji. What I think that gold might form a bullish doji or any kind of doji here can give a potential inverted head and shoulder. From that zone we can expect gold to remain bullish, and I think that for longer term perspective we could see that gold is meeting this previous swing high above this level along with this resistance line that we see on the weekly time frame, and from that zone we might see gold again coming back towards its direction to the support level. So this is where we can expect now gold to create a bullish move on the lower time frame. So if we look at for the lower time frame from intraday perspective, we see that there is a very strong bullish structure, a clear change of trend. We saw the price was creating series of lower high and lower low, very long established downtrend, consolidated, gathered liquidity multiple times, and we saw that a clean breakout of this level, leaving a very important level here, which is the previous resistance here, which is turning support. What I think that at any point we can expect gold to have a local breakdown either below this level or maintaining this support. We could see that gold is moving up again towards its long-term direction. So in that zone we will be waiting for a local breakdown. What I think that we might see that gold during the news or anytime to have a spike down below this level, below this doji. There is a huge liquidity in that zone. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price is still maintaining a bullish structure, a strong impulse we saw that this swing low is broken, and from that zone again we saw another impulse. What I will be waiting for a local breakdown, especially below this level or along this zone. As soon as you will see that gold is giving a suitable entry opportunity according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.